Hey there! In this tutorial, let's learn how to make a full moon as well as a crescent moon. The app I'm using here is Ibis Paint. You can apply the same technique in other drawing apps as well. First, create a background layer. Next, using a circular ruler, create a circle and fill it with white. This will be the base for the moon. Next step, in order to create the texture that you see on the moon, using the eraser tool and brushes, round brush reel and a charcoal brush, keeping the opacity at medium, erase as shown in the video. The texture part is not over yet, so once you're done with the previous step, choosing cloud brush reel from the brush tool and picking a black color and later a brown or grey color, keeping the opacity medium again, add back colors on the place where you had erased in the previous step. Be light-handed while adding back the colors. So all this is done on a single layer. Here comes the crucial step. In order to create that glow around the moon, first duplicate the layer, then on the layer below, apply Gaussian blur. Then change the blending mode to add. Now if you're not satisfied with the amount of glow, you can definitely apply Gaussian blur again and again until you're satisfied with the outcome. Here we are done with the first part, that is creating a full moon. Now in order to create a crescent moon, first hide the duplicated layer. Then on the original layer, erase the shape using a circular ruler as shown in the video. Remaining procedure is the same. First duplicate the layer, add Gaussian blur, and then change the blending mode to add. So that's the end of the second part. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, have fun. Bye.